Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to learn about the sounds of animals. Children, you all know that animals cannot talk like human beings, but they make many different sounds. Now, let us learn the sounds of some animals. Dog barks. Cat mews. Cock crows. Duck quacks. Lion roars. Elephant trumpets. Horse neighs. Sheep bleats. Cow moos. Cuckoo coos. Worksheet. Dear children, please copy this in your rough book and practice. Let me read this. Dog barks. Cat mews. Cock crows. Duck quacks. Lion roars. Elephant trumpets. Horse neighs. Sheep bleats. Cow moos. Cuckoo coos. Children, in the next video, I will come with the new concept. Till then, take care. Thank you.